Hey, it says what? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I think in all the years that I've been doing YouTube, I've never done an unboxing, and special treat today we have an unbagging and an unboxing. So let's start with the bag. This is from Amazon. And it's something from Lug called the double-decker. Sorry, I have the humor of a 12-year-old. The double-decker cosmetic case, and it's in this camo rose, which I really love this pattern. So I saw this on Andrea Simply Living 219T, I think. She showed this, but it has two zippers, two cosmetic cases, two zippers, a zipper compartment here with a plastic, a place for brushes or anything there. The bottom is kind of extra coated with clear plastic or something. And then this section has a nice zipper compartment there. All of the hardware has the Lug branding on it, if you can see that. So I really like it. It's perfect. I love this pattern. I have a few things. I have a video on my Lug Camo Rose collection, but there it is. Pretty great. I needed something like this. So let's move on to the box. As you can see, it hasn't been opened. It was delivered sometime last week. So this is the first item. It's the pebble grain drawstring in caramel. And yes, I already have pebble grain drawstring in caramel, but not like this. I've really been loving drawstring bags lately. This one has a nice front pocket. This one is a little bit smaller than my other one. This one has a different kind of strap than my other one. I thought it would make more sense if I got the other one. This bag you've seen a million times on my channel. It's a pebble grain drawstring, but it's much larger than the regular drawstrings. It's in my favorite pebble grain color, caramel. And then this is the new one. You can see there's quite a difference in size. This is the strap on this one. This is the strap on the new one. They have approximately the same strap drop, Maybe this one is a little bit longer. But this is my go-to bag. I really love it. So when I saw this on sale in I Love Dooney for a really great price, I couldn't resist. Recording on my phone, but here's my phone case. It fits like that on the outside, and I can get it laying it horizontally. I can get it in that front pocket. It takes some maneuvering to get it in with that pop socket on it, but it comes out pretty easily. I probably would put my keys in there, maybe a mask. Let's take a look at the inside quickly. It doesn't have SDS, standard Dooney setup. It has a slip and a zip on the back wall, and just one large slip pocket on the front wall that my phone fits in easily. So I'm pretty excited about this. It's in my favorite color in pebble grain, and I really like the size. I got something else as well. It came in this nice box. And this is called the large credit card case. I'll insert the dimensions. This is the regular credit card case size, and this is the large one. This is in the hydrangea coated cotton, but it's the same size as, you know, the beacon leather or the Florentine one. You know, you can fit your credit cards in there. So I was interested in seeing this larger version. Again, it's in my favorite color, and it has the braided zipper pull with gold Dooney plate. And what's different about it is it has two credit card slots. It has two credit card slots on both the front and back wall, if you can see that. And then it has the center zip where you could put coins if you wanted to. You could slip a key in there or something else really small. And then you could put money or more cards in these open compartments. So I thought this would be a fun, smaller wallet, and I really like it a lot. So I don't think I'm very good at these unboxings, but I had fun seeing them and sharing them for the first time with you. Thanks a lot for stopping by, and I really appreciate you watching my videos, commenting if you're of a mind to, and subscribing. Take care, everyone.